Hey there and welcome. If you've got Excel skills, you can get an AI certification. That's our message from Cloud Astronauts. I'm Scott. At Cloud Astronauts, we teach people cloud and AI. We start with the basics and we get people hands-on. So we've got some insights on how to learn about AI. And the AI certification that we have in mind for you is the Microsoft AI 900 Azure's AI Fundamentals certification. It's not a technical certification, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to learn some concepts about Azure's AI services and machine learning in general. We have a study guide that can help. Microsoft Learning has a free learning path as well. If you want to learn more, come check out our video on 12 tips on how to get this certification. This is a chance to differentiate yourself, up your game, and really get going. We'd love to help. Signing off from Cloud Astronauts.